Welcome back to another video of Heart Coding. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a fully modern and professional dashboard website design created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is not just a simple UI, it's a complete multi-page dashboard system built with clean code, smooth interactions, and a highly polished user experience. This dashboard includes over 78 plus fully designed pages, covering everything from analytics and user management to settings, authentication, charts, tables, and much more. Every single page has been carefully crafted to maintain visual consistency and professional design standards. One of the most important features of this project is that it is 100% fully responsive. Whether you're browsing from a mobile phone, tablet, laptop, or a large desktop screen, every layout adjusts perfectly without breaking. So no matter what device you use, the dashboard will always look clean and modern. If you want to explore the live preview of this complete dashboard website, the link is available in the description box below. You can check out every page and see exactly how the design works in real time. And if you're interested in using this dashboard for your own projects, or if you want to purchase the full template with all 78 plus pages included, the purchase link is also provided in the description box. Feel free to get it anytime you want. This project is perfect for beginners, students, or developers who want to learn modern UI design, clean layout structuring, and responsive dashboard development using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So, without wasting any time, let's get started and take a closer look at this modern dashboard design.